Hello everyone. If you are new to my channel, this is recipe channel. Today we are going to make delicious ladyfingers veg. It's easy. Let's see the ingredients. Ingredients: ladyfingers half kg, onions, tomatoes. We are going to need 5 tablespoons of oil, red chili powder, yellow turmeric powder, coriander powder, as well as cumin seeds powder. Here is the cumin seeds powder. As well as we are going to need half teaspoon of mustard seeds, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, asafoetida powder 1/4 teaspoon, and half teaspoon salt, or salt as per your taste. Through this part, top and below of the ladyfingers, then chop it like this. It's a very simple veg. Chop onion like this. Chop it. Let's switch on the flame and take big kadhai or big dip pan and take half kg of chopped lady fingers in it, and we are going to roast it until the color changes and it's cooked. We are going to roast it on low flame. Let's roast it. Nice aroma is coming. Ladyfingers has vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, and vitamin E and vitamin K, as well as it has iron, magnesium, and zinc. Color has changed. dark brown little spots on it. So it has cooked. Now we will switch off the flame. It took nearly 7 to 8 minutes to roast it. Let's add 5 tablespoon oil in big kadhai or big deep pan. Switch on the flame. Let's heat the oil and add half teaspoon mustard seeds in it. Let it splutter. Mustard seeds splutter in it. Mustard seeds are spluttering now. Let's add chopped onion in it. Let's mix it. Let it cook for 1 minute. Let's add asafoetida powder in it, 1/4 teaspoon. Let's add half teaspoon turmeric powder in it. Half teaspoon red chili powder in it. One teaspoon coriander seeds powder in it. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds powder in it. Let's mix it. Now we are going to add chopped tomatoes, 2 chopped tomatoes. Let's mix it. So our tomato has cooked. Now let's add roasted lady fingers in it. We have chopped it and later we have roasted. Remember that always, so that our veg will not get sticky. Let's mix it. Let's add half teaspoon of salt in it. Now we will add garam masala powder 1 tablespoon. Now let's mix it. I have covered it with the lid and now let it cook for 7 minutes. Remember why we added 5 tablespoon oil and no water in this veg? Because if we will add water, it will get sticky. So that's why we will cook it in oil only. And it's get cooked in oil easily in few minutes. Let's open the lid. See, it has cooked on steam. See. It's ready to serve. It's ready. It's yummy. Lady fingers easy veg is ready. Lady fingers also known as okra. So I have served lady fingers veg with hot piping rice as well as dal fry. Check the description box for lady fingers veg ingredients. And you must try my pulao recipe too. It's linked in the description box. Please check it out and subscribe to my channel. Stay positive, you can do it. And see you in my next video.